Hey everyone, today we make air fryer peanut butter cookies. These are made using oatmeal and you only need 3 ingredients. They have no egg, are vegan, and I like to start by milling my oats, but this is optional, you can leave them whole if you like your cookies to have more texture. Next, add in the peanut butter and maple syrup. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're using all natural peanut butter as well as food quality maple syrup. Salted or unsalted peanut butter is okay, so use what you like. Once you've combined, you want to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes and then use a cookie scoop or 2 spoons to scoop pieces of dough to a lined tray. Use the palms of your hand to shape if the dough feels too cold. I eventually ended up weighing each dough ball and each was about 40 grams. That's about 1.4 ounces. So next you want to take your fork and make the traditional peanut butter cookies. Cut pattern on the surface like this for all the cookies. You then want to line your air fryer basket. Use suitable air fryer parchment liners, or a useful tip, you can make your own by folding regular parchment paper and making holes on it using a paper punch. Place the shaped cookies inside your air fryer basket. Close and air fry for 4 to 5 minutes if you like them on the chewier side, 2 to 3 minutes if you like them slightly crunchy. You can also make the cookies on a rack if you own one. Once done, allow your air fryer peanut butter cookies to cool completely before serving. You can also store them in airtight containers for 3 to 5 days.